Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to turn your basic white tees, something you've had for a while, into amazing summer outfits. Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome to another episode of Noah and Purple.
I'm Noah.
I'm Purple. And a couple old shirts. And we're thinking, instead of, okay, this is old.
Speak for yourself.
But this is old. And then we're thinking, instead of just abandoning the shirts, we can actually repurpose the shirts and take it out in style.
Zero waste.
Exactly, zero waste, that kind of stuff. So before we waste time, let's not waste any time.
Before we waste time, let us not waste time.
So let's not waste any time and let's just go straight into it.
Let's get right.
Don't forget to smash like if you're okay. Don't smash it. Touch your screen.
But we'll smash it now. We won't buy you another phone. You do you.
Like it calmly, and then while you're liking it, don't forget to subscribe. And definitely,
it's right beside you.
It's just right there. And then see, it's right there. Right there. No, it's there.
It would be so funny if it's there.
Slow.
It would be so funny if it's on that side.
And then, if you can share this to your friends, it'd be amazing. You could do a group, DIY thing with your friends.
Don't forget to, stay safe and social distance and wear your masks.
True, yeah. Okay, let's get right into it.
What you need for the video is a bunch of empty bottles with holes poked in the top. Make sure not to make the holes too big.
Tiny holes.
Tiny and usable. And depending on what method of tie that you're doing, you might need these. These are just rubber bands, but apparently that's not what they call them anymore.
Obviously, you need a white tee. It could be a new tee, or it could be something you're no longer using. And then it's a shameless plug here.
This is me. That's the plug. This is me.
This is Noah on the shirt. And I designed a couple tees for a brand in Tbilisi called Zoma. And then you could go check it out.
I think this one I'm wearing is from
this is from Zoma too.
Yeah.
So you could go check it out, cop yourself some nice shit. Okay, apart from the shirts, you're also going to need fabric, acrylic paint.
Acrylic color pearl for textile. Textile is fabric.
So you can make the dye in different ways. You can take acrylic paint and then mix it with hot water or dye, chemical water. Or you can get fabric paint and mix it with hot water
to make fabric dye.
So you could get this at your art stores because
it's glitter in it. So
yeah, I know. There's most of the videos I watch, they never tell you how to actually get the dye. You also need this to help you, prevent
not make a
deaths.
mess on your rented
So you can get this at the mall. It's just basic nylon.
You can get it literally anywhere. It's a saran wrap, right?
And if you don't have a saran wrap, you could use just nylon and boom.
Just something to cover your table so you don't ruin it forever.
So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is wrap the table or whatever you're using so you can prevent the paint from staining it. Once you get your fabric dye, you're going to pour a little into your stuff.
It's called a bottle.
Into your bottle. You don't want to have too much. It's about 1/3 of it. Then you're going to take some hot water and then mix it together.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. That's our shaking sound effect. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So we're going to be starting with the scrunching method.
So basically the scrunching method means you're just going to
just scrunch things up.
Yeah, you're just going to crump it and then put bands on it. So let the scrunching begin. You scrunch that part.
Please don't be ugly one more time.
So I feel like you should get bigger bands if you can.
If you can though, we're
yeah.
gonna find bigger bands. See, if your shirt doesn't look like you're trying to go up
to kill it, right?
You're doing it wrong. I don't feel like it's scrunched enough.
No, it's good, it's good.
Let me see. Across, it doesn't have anything across.
So you want to have your shirt scrunched up like this. Then we're going to show you the application. Noah wants to use purple and blue for shirt. So basically we're just going to put blue here. You put purple on the other side.
It doesn't even look like it's going in. Why does it look like it's fabric resistant all of a sudden?
Oh, don't worry, just dip it inside. Switch. So you want to go in, especially when you're using like, what do you call it? Acrylic. You want to make sure you're going deep inside. And then what's cool is like, we got the fabric dye that had like glitter in it.
Yep.
So this would actually end up glittering.
Well, you might not be able to see it on camera, but we can see it with our eyes, and that's the most important part.
This looks so cool.
We don't open it though, there's white inside. We're not done.
It looks like coral purple or something. Just bring it through.
Yes.
That's okay. Okay, so once you're done spraying the dye in, what you want to do is you want to get your surfing wrap, and then just
no, you can't take it off the table.
no, you use a new one.
Yeah.
So you take the wrap
And then just wrap.
And we use. First put it in a bag and then tie it off.
And leave for 10 hours.
Now this is going to sit in maybe your oven. No, don't put it in your oven.
Please do not cook your shirt.
Put it in an airtight place for 10 hours so the dye can sip in.
So you have to be very, very patient.
So now we're going to go on to the circular method.
But we need to clean.
But we need to clean this up first.
Okay, now that our workbench is clean again, we're gonna move on.
Okay, so for the circular method, you want to get something, maybe like a stick. We've got the styrofoam wrap holder.
Don't run out of.
And then you put it in the center, you just twist. Then you put as much pressure as you can.
Don't rip up your shirt.
Roll and roll and roll. So you just, take your shirt in that circular pattern. And then as you're about to take the circular stuff out, you then start binding it from under.
Yeah.
So, okay.
So now that that's
Put the one more.
on that side,
Yeah, so just
right here.
okay. So what you want to do now is you put your colors in each quadrant, and then
This is a huge quadrant, though, should be, right? So when we get to the back, that we decide to put it. I don't even know what I'm saying.
no man.
Just pour your dye, Jerry. Ignore me.
Okay, fine. So once you're done with the pouring, you can take your cellophane wrap and then wrap it around your last project. So
Because it just gives you more colors.
yeah, that's what we're gonna do now.
Come on! Sorry. Yeah.
So now that you have this, you're going to let it soak for 8 to 10 hours, and the more time you give it, the more vibrant your colors, because it gives it time to absorb it. We're going to see you in 10 hours. Okay guys, so we finally soaked the dye in the t-shirt, and I actually left it for about 15 hours, not 10 hours. So I think the colors might actually absorb more. So we're going to open it up and then check for the patterns that we have.
Oh, for Christ's sakes.
So you take out your bond. So I did the scrunchie method, right? Oh no, we did the circular method. And she did the scrunchie method. So we're going to see what it looks like.
Come on.
I like the colors on your one.
Yes.
It looks so trippy.
I don't like color yet.
Yo, this is hard!
That is actually so cool. Wait, I want to see mine. Wait, hold on.
This is hard.
This is
So I like how,
And I'm falling down.
we have that circular pattern, and then the pattern, especially at the back. It's so pretty.
I'm very proud of myself.
And then the colors are spread out dots and dots. So what we're going to do now is we're going to throw this in the washing machine, give it a very light wash, and then we're going to come back.
Okay, we're going to put this in the washing machine.
So these are our t-shirts, and I love my t-shirt.
So do I. Personalized.
The whole look, even if I look like a unicorn pooped on me or something. Oh, thank you. So I look like a unicorn pooped on me, but that's fine because
I look more refined
I
because
know,
there's no yellow involved.
Yeah, I I don't like the yellow. I'm just gonna be honest with you.
Told him like when we're filming, I was like, no yellow for me.
The yellow mixed with the red,
the blue,
I don't, yeah, and the form green and the green made it look a little bit tacky. But then.
So what he's saying is green is a tacky color, so nobody should like green.
No. If you do it well enough, it's actually going to look good. But
like if you specifically pour it in specific places, because we just went.
So thank you so much for watching. If you try this DIY at home, don't forget to comment and tag us.
Show us the shape.
Exactly, you could show us and we'll feature it on our next episode where we do a DIY how-to video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Bye guys. I'll take bye.
Anyways.
Tell me now.